If you ever felt Instagram is slowly nudging you towards paying something that used to be free, here we are. Meta just announced the Instagram Plus subscription globally. For the first time, some features that make the app genuinely more useful are sitting behind a paywall. Free users aren't losing anything as they already have, but they can about to notice what they're missing. The Instagram Plus costs $4 a month. It rolls out globally starting June 4th. Facebook Plus launched at the same price, and WhatsApp Plus comes slightly cheaper, $3 per month. The features are heavily story-focused. Story Spotlight pushes your story to the top of your friend's feed, while Story Extend bumps the usual 24-hour window to 48 hours. You'll also get an ability to create multiple audience lists beyond the standard close friends. You can also see rewatch stats on your phone, a story viewer search tool, and an option to post directly to your profile without showing up in anybody's feed. On top of it, subscribers get custom app icons, unique bio fonts, and ability to pin 6 posts in the profile. It has a decent set of extras aimed squarely at people who use Instagram professionally. Instagram Plus does not remove any ads. You will still get them either way, and honestly, that's one thing that would push a lot of people to subscribe. YouTube Premium used to work before of the value prop and obvious pay and the ads goes away. Instagram Plus doesn't offer that. Meta has experimented with ad-free tiers before. It's not like the idea is off the table, but for now, at $4, you just get more features. Instagram is pushing ads hard for a few years and it's clearly hit a ceiling. Subscription is the next step of the evolution.